Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to hide mature content on Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to hide mature content on Crunchyroll. Maybe because you're using the account with your family, so you don't want any adult stuff to be shown to your kids or family. Or maybe you're a parent and your kid is using your account, so you just want to hide the mature content from them. Or maybe in general, you don't prefer to watch any adult stuff, so you want to hide it for yourself, or there could be any other reason for you to hide mature content from Crunchyroll. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can hide content that is mature on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Crunchyroll app. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. It will just take a while to load all of its content, and after that you will be able to see its interface. This is how the app looks. There you could see the icon of the app and few options, and in the middle of the screen there are different shows and series that you could watch and enjoy, and at the bottom we have these options. So there you could see we have a lot of different content on our home screen. Some of them have some mature content and some of them don't. So it's all up to you. If you don't want to watch that, you could hide it, and if you want to watch it, you can still watch it. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to click on account option. Once you get there, first you will read the title of my account, and there you will see all these options. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, here we have this option which says hide mature content, or it says show mature content. So right now, as I turn this on, that means that if there's any mature content, it will be shown to me, it will not be hidden. So if you're okay with that, you can go with this option. But if you don't want that, like you want to hide mature content, then simply click on it, and the hidden content will not be show you, like any mature or adultery stuff, or maybe 18 plus content will be hidden from you. So you can use your account with your family or maybe kid, or maybe generally you could use it, and you will not be able to experience anything that is mature or adult. So that's how you can keep your account safe from such things and can enjoy the shows as well. But if you ever want to go for this option, you have to just simply tap on it, and then you will be again able to see the mature content in the shows and series on this app. Otherwise, it's all up to you. Whatever you want to go with, you can go. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can hide mature content on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.